All day and all night, stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, like a good drug, never run. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far. You'd show me your heart, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun.
Double takedown.
The sun, when it's
Double
on,
takedown.
took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on. Now I remember everything.
First,
and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We were so proud, we had no doubt. Weekends,
first doom.
We'd spend
Double takedown.
Careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't